Howdy ho, bitches. Welcome to my annual Pearl Harbor Day cooking video. You can tell that I'm not really into it. I'm not. This was supposed to be a live stream. I started planning this over a month ago. It's supposed to be live. Guess what? It's not. It was going to be epic. Guess what? It's not. You're just gonna get a lousy video. I was gonna make two pizzas. Not one, two. You're only getting one. So I don't feel like making two separate videos. We'll see. Me. Took the wrong pepperoni out of the fucking freezer. This is a different color than that. I was supposed to take that one out. I bought it specifically for this because the colors need to match. They need to match. That's how the shit train started rolling. My stupidity. Before we get to pizza making, let's get uncanny with some fucking ginjambra, ox cranberries. Oh, cranberry, ginger ale. I think this is the last one, or there's one more. And it can fuck off. I won't buy that one again. Cheers, big ears. Oh, I heard the other day in a video somebody mocking brisk iced tea. Well, guess what, buddy? Why don't you send the elf down to the old fucking no-frills, grab a 2-liter bottle, bring it home and give yourself a brisk enema. That'll fucking knock your socks off. Woo! Feisty. I'm not as high as I was when I was gonna go live, but I still got a bit. So yeah, pizza is German salami, pepperoni, some Cracker Barrel, pizza mozzarella, and sauce. Oh, I got garlic powder and grana padano cheese. And cooking our pizza on a cookie sheet or tray, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna roll the dough out because you'll see. Cheers, big ears. Tora, Tora, Tora. Alright, bitches. I kind of tried to make a rising sun flag, but that's what I ended up with. It looks like that. Oh well. Hey, and the only time I'll agree with pizza being cut into squares is if the pizza is actually in a square or a rectangle. But those fucking jackasses that cut a round pizza into squares, they can fuck right off. Just like today. Well, Tora, 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 bitches. Happy Pearl Harbor Day. You can't say that. I'm so fucking stoned. Oh, yes I can. I know it's crooked, so am I. There. If you want it smaller, cut a smaller one. That one can be smaller. Mofo. You make that one smaller. Oh. Oh. The rest stay big. Ooh. Alright. I'm high. Looks like this. Still fucking hot. HAF, hot as fuck, bitches. Hot. Oh yeah. It's fucking nice. Tora, Tora, Tora. I'm sorry I couldn't go live. It would have been amazing. The other pizza would be really awesome. I don't think I'm gonna film it. Ooh. I'm gonna go and watch Tora, Tora, Tora. That was 13 minutes. My oven goes to 450. 13 minutes at 450. Done to my liking. Very much so. Well, at this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment, I don't have a tea. But I had this. I was going to drink this in the live stream. But since it all got fucked up, that's bothering me. Go away. The real Mexican Coca-Cola. Hecho in Mexico. Mexican and Thai Coca-Cola are the best in the world. The best tasting. Real sugar. Cheers, big ears. And here's to MMT, wherever he may be. Whoa. Oh, it's so good. Fuck yeah. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Woo! RTFO, mofos.